Shoulders to hips. Extend out. Come back in. So as you do this, this knee is lined up with the hip. You're not leaning, okay? So get 15 on each side. Next one, elbow to knee and extend out. So you're trying to get your glute up. So here, extend out, exhale. $15, and then you're gonna go into your frog pump. So feet together, push the hips up, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back down, right back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get 15 of those and make sure your pause is 15, or I'm sorry, make sure your pause at the top is 5 seconds, okay? And you're doing 15. Then you go into your back muscles. Face down, pinch the shoulder blades. 5-second pause. Come back down.